Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to share with you. We're unboxing and reviewing the HP laptop, a powerhouse designed to elevate your business and academic endeavors to new heights. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, folks, here it is, the HP laptop, neatly packaged and ready to unveil. Let's crack open the box and see what's inside. Aw, look at that sleek design! The HP laptop truly exudes sophistication and style. But beauty isn't the only thing this laptop has to offer. Let's take a closer look at its features. From its expansive 15.6-inch display to the convenient numeric keypad, every aspect of this laptop is meticulously crafted with productivity in mind. And with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you'll experience the latest in operating system innovation right out of the box. Now that we've unboxed the HP laptop, let's delve deeper into its impressive features. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 3 quad-core processor, this machine delivers exceptional performance for all your computing needs. Whether you're crunching numbers for a business presentation or writing essays for school, the HP laptop handles it all with ease. And with a whopping 40 gigabytes of RAM and a lightning-fast 1 terabyte SSD, you'll never have to worry about storage or speed again. Plus, with the included Microsoft Office lifetime license, you'll have access to essential productivity tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for as long as you own the laptop. It's like having your own personal office wherever you go. And there you have it, folks, the HP laptop. A true game changer for both business professionals and students alike. With its robust performance, sleek design, and essential productivity features, this laptop is the ultimate companion for conquering your daily tasks with confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and giveaways. And speaking of giveaways, don't miss your chance to win a pair of Plus Era earphones by following the instructions in the description below. Until next time, stay productive and stay tuned for more exciting content. Upgrade your productivity with the HP laptop, the perfect blend of power, performance, and style. Whether you're tackling business projects or academic assignments, this laptop has everything you need to succeed. Get yours today and experience the difference firsthand.